Hello students, hello class 9 students, how are you? Today I am going to teach you a chapter named The Lost Child by Mulkraj Anand. It is of your book Moments. Okay, so let's go. Okay students, so today class 9th Moments book chapter is the first chapter, The Lost Child. Author is Mulkraj Anand. Okay, so it would be divided into certain parts and one by one we would read. Okay, so next, here The Lost Child is the story of a small child who gets lost in a fair. He had gone with his parents to the fair but loses them when he gets engrossed in looking at a roundabout swing. The story highlights the bond of love and affection that the child shares with his parents. Before losing them, he had been demanding different things like sweets, balloons, flowers, swings, etc. Once he loses them, he is picked up by a stranger. The stranger tries to quieten the child by offering him all these things that he had demanded from his parents, but the child does not want them anymore. He wants his parent first. So, in our case, in your case also, you love your parents very much? Yes or no? Certainly yes. And your parents also love you a lot. So, think for a while, if you are separated from your parents for some hours, for some days, for some months or years together, then what would be the condition, mental condition of you? You are nowhere without your parents. So here the story tells us, or it highlights, that there is a bond of love and affection in between the child or the children and their parents. Okay, children are demanding many more things when they are with their parents, but they are totally, their mental condition is totally zero when their parents are absent. Okay, so this is such a story, very interesting story. Let us move. Okay, so this is the picture, it is there in your book. You must have come across with this book. This is a picture of a fair, and the parents along with their child, it is there shown in front. Okay, so this continues the story. Let's go. These are some of the meanings. You have to note it down in your copy. I need not read it again because the meanings are written. You have to write it before going to the text. So we will move to the next page. These are some other word meanings and you have to note it down. I am waiting for a while so that you can note it. This is also a part of the same difficult words and their meanings. Okay, so the story is set in the spring season. As the winter season had just ended, all the people came out of their houses. They were cheerful as the chilling cold weather had ended. People conveyed through different modes, that is foot, horses, bamboo carts, and bullock carts. A little child was accompanied by his parents. He ran excitedly and often banged into his father's legs. He was full of life, excitement, and laughter. So, here let me tell that a fair, it comes a while at a particular season in the year. Here it is set in the spring season, and winter season has already passed and spring season came. So attending a fair, it is a very cheerful moment for all of us. So here also in the story, people, they were coming with different modes. Some were coming by foot, some by horses, some bamboo carts, bullock carts. So this is set in a village area, and all these modes are being shown to show that the joy of people, the interest of the people to attend the fair, it is the utmost for them. And here the parents and their child, their son, they were coming by foot. Okay, so the parents and especially the child was having full of life, excitement and laughter. It is being shown here. Okay, next. The child was attracted to the toys which were displayed at the various stalls. So, as a child, you must have the same experience that when we are children, we are having special attraction towards toys. Okay, when a child is born, he is attached to the toys and he he looks the movements of the toys and he plays with it. So special attraction is there. As he would be left behind, his parents would call him to come with them. Okay, sometimes as he was attached or attracted towards the toys, he was just standing before the shops to see the toys how they were working. So time to time he was left behind. Parents would call him, and he was following his parents. Okay, the child was obedient, means every time their parents call, he was following them and would walk towards them on being called, but his eyes would keep on looking at the toys that he wanted. Unwillingly, we can say, unwillingly he was following his parents. As he reached them, he could not control his desire to buy a toy. So as his parents called, he would follow them, but desire was there to buy a toy, and the desire was not fulfilled. He was familiar to the reaction that they would give. He knew that they would stare him, indicating denial to buy him the toy. The child knew the emotionless way in which they would stare at him. Here, the child understood the emotionless way, means the parents were totally not showing any emotion towards the attachment of the toys with the child. So the child also knew that his parents would deny to buy him the toy. So he was following his parents. Okay, next. Here the mother became emotional due to the cheerful mood. In between father and mother, mothers are generally more emotional. Okay, so when your father is also just scolding of you, your mother would save you. Have you encountered with such moments? Definitely. Okay, so mother is emotional here due to the cheerful mood of the child. Lovingly, she gave her finger to the child to hold and guided him to a place. So, mother wants to just want to have the same mood of the child, of her child, and so what she did, she gave her a finger and she guided that just see other scenes and other things. Okay, she asked him to see what was in front of him. So she wanted to take the picture of those toys from the mind of the child, and she wanted to change the mood. She wanted to show her other things in front of her child. Okay, next. There was a vast field full of bright yellow colored mustard flowers. Have you seen mustard flowers? Very yellow in color and very attractive. So, the fields were covered with yellow colored mustard flowers. They seemed like flowing streams of gold and were widespread. Everywhere it was seen. A group of dragonflies, black bees, and butterflies buzzed around, sucking the nectar from the flowers. This is a very common scene that from the flowers nectars are being collected by these dragonflies, black bees, and butterflies. So, this was the scene. The child looked at them as they flew around. The child was attracted, time to time he was attracted with many things. Okay, when one of the that dragonfly sat somewhere, he tried to catch them, but the tiny creatures would fly away the next instance. So he was unable to catch them. The mother called out to him as they started walking down the footpath. Again, mother called to join them in walking towards joining the fair. Okay, so he was being called again. Next, the child ran towards his parents again. As we have discussed, he was obedient, so he ran towards his parents. He walked next to them, but after few steps, he stopped to see the insects who were coming out of the soil. Okay, now he was attracted by the insects. Once again, the child was left behind. Okay, the parents called him again. They sat next to a well under the shady trees. The child once again ran and joined his parents, who were there near a well. Okay, next. As the child entered the shady forested area, he was welcomed by a shower of flowers. He forgot his parents and started collecting the petals that had fallen. Just then he heard the cooing of doves and was excited to see them. So this is the picture given in this space. It is a dove and the sound is mentioned here. The sound, the cooing of doves, it is the thing the child was attracted with and was excited to see the dove. He started chasing the birds and in the process the petals fell from his hand. Earlier it is mentioned that he collected some petals and next moment he heard the sound of the doves and he was excited to see the dove. So in the process chasing the birds, just following the birds, he dropped all those petals from his hand. This shows that as the child got attracted towards the next thing means dove here, he forgot what he had been doing earlier. Okay, so this is the end of the first part. Thank you for watching. We will meet again very soon. I will come to you taking the second part. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.